Cool car, man. Mind if I ask?
Oh, are you the guy from TikTok?
Yeah. What do you do for a living?
Gigolo.
Oh,
yeah, bro. Fuck you, man. Okay, we sell products, okay, bro? And drugs.
Adam's recent pickup.
Selling the goddamn coupe, man.
Adam's getting out of the S chassis scene for the R chassis scene.
I'll explain to you why. What's yours heck, man? I was basically at the end of my coupe, you know, all that was left was to paint it. And I was kind of bored of it. Had it for a year, you know. It's too damn long. Then this popped up and it was really good value, and I was missing my R32 I had, the silver one, so had to scoop it. Yeah, 92 R32 GTST, only has 89,000 K on it. Pretty much stock, other than these sick ass.
Are those works, dude?
No, they're real XXRs.
Oh.
Don't fuck with fakes.
That's sick, yeah.
HKS coils, Jasma exhaust, and then I had an RD Classic in it, but we already put my deep corn in it. As you can see. Has the Moist Boy shift knob, the best knob. Has the Moist Boy's cup holder with a plant in it.
Sorry if this footage is all really overexposed. White car in direct sunlight.
Why don't you just adjust it, man?
Why don't you just adjust it, man?
The body's actually really clean, minus a little bit of rust over here, which we'll try to show you without getting hit by a car, because it's rush hour in the stew, apparently. Got this rust here. I kind of care about this car, so I'm gonna get that professionally fixed by Jourdain. And
you bought Colby's watts too, right?
yeah, I bought Colby's watts because we lost them to the dark side. So yeah, actually I bought a bunch of stuff for this, so be ready for some content. We got the watts going on to get those to fit. We got rear suspension arms, front FUCAs, upper control arms, and then I have an intake, an Apexi intake coming. Gonna get a GTR front lip. Tonight we're dropping off the bumper to get the license plate bracket deleted. This thing, because it looks horrendous.
The plate cut out?
Yeah, that's gonna get deleted because there's a guy in Japan that has it deleted and it looks really sick. We also need to put a head unit in it because it has really JDM head unit, but it's not working right now. Actually, when we pull it out, we should try to get it to work. Yeah, so this is a Type M. Has absolutely obese brakes, the same as the 300ZX brakes. So to fit the watts, because watts are really flat on the back, I'd have to run like a 30 mil spacer. But we're just gonna actually swap the front brakes to 5-bolt S14 brakes.
Yeah, get mad in the comments.
Yeah. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty much stock. Got the Limo tint.
The only thing you've done to the engine so far, what? Delete the recirc valve for the flutter?
Yeah, me and Noah deleted the recirc valve and then put this really bunk pod filter on it.
I think that's it.
Oh, I have the GK Tech fan coming. Yeah, there's a
yeah, sick.
Fire quick release, brother. Oh, my NRG push prop, bro. Oh my god.
Yeah, just stock RB20. Nothing crazy.
RB20 det. Fully stock. Alright, we're taking the production quality to the next level. To the moon.
Is the hood still off?
No. Oh my god, it's windy as heck. Alright, we're miking up the boost.
We're miking it up.
Let's like tape it here.
Yeah. Alright, I think that's cheap.
That's some spy stuff, man. You wearing wire, man.
And we're cheap, dude, just like that.
What a setup.
What a setup going.
Peter Jackson ain't got shit.
That's what's radar, brother. If you go left, like, not towards Petro. Alright, we're starting at 3, 2, 1. It's going, brother.
Look at that, someone put some croissants on the road. Why is it so aggressive?
Alright. Let's get some Turbsky noise. That was so bumpy right there.
fuck out of the tubes, man.
This is what the audio sounded like, so we're gonna try something else. You hear the turbo, dude?
Yeah, dude, shit's boosting.
Okay, so we tried to do like 3 different variations with the mic in the engine bay, out of the engine bay.
Yeah.
It sounds like shit. You can't hear anything.
Sounds like it's like you hear it spooling, and then as soon as it hits boost, what the fuck? As soon as it hits boost, it like cuts out because it's too loud for the mic. So they don't want it. Yeah, they don't want us to fucking boost, dude. So
tried to up the production value, but sorry about it.
Last time we put effort into this shit, man.
Yeah, fuck it. Alright, Adam just stopped and got some gas. Did you get 93 or 91?
I think you only have 91 at Petros.
Alright, so Adam didn't tell you, but he goes to self-serve, doesn't tell him how much he wants.
No, I went full serve, man. I forgot to tell the guy on the
yeah,
30
full
bucks.
serve. Adam got topped off, man. 100 bucks in gas.
Fucking cock, man. Okay, merch link is in bio. Please buy something to help me recover from this financial nightmare that is fuel.
You heard some turbo noise.
If we got something out of that, I got $100 of gas out of that.
Stay tuned for next drop. We're planning on dropping in probably around 2 weeks. We'll post more.
So
on
much cool
Instagram
stuff.
when we know more.
So much cool stuff.
Organized, much stuff to do. We got a minute left on the SD card. We're gonna wrap it up real quick.
All right, comment, like, subscribe.
We've been blowing it on YouTube.
Yeah, we're gonna be back because we have a lot of shit going on. That's could go down. We got this car, the 8.6.
Ain't this car 8.6 R32.
Colby's car.
Colby's car. Colby's really gonna like broaden the channel with the big wheel build.
Colby's going to big wheels.
We're still big wheels, big horsepower, but it's fine. We still
we
don't
don't accept it, but we're gonna document it for scientific purposes.
I think
anyway.
I accept it.
Yeah, well, you also are
Uncle
a big wheel
Joel's
kind of guy.
fucking grinning right now.
Yeah, Uncle Joel thinks he's top shit because finally one of the nephews is getting big wheels. So I don't know. It's just everything's going to shit. But yeah, anyway, comment, like, subscribe. More content coming soon. Noah's car is going to get painted. We're going to do stuff to the R32. It's going to get small wheels as it should because it's cool. And we don't have Werther's original size wieners. And lots of 8.6 stuff going to be going on soon. Just need a couple parts before I can take it home and then we can pull it apart and cut it apart. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Comment, like, subscribe, and check out the link in the description.
The boys will try to hit a million K up on that YouTube.